In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent character sheets in Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use the Create Image feature in Google Gemini to produce reliable, on-model character sheets you can reuse across projects. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Gemini app. Once you're in, look for the Tools section. This is where Gemini groups creative utilities, and it's the quickest way to reach the image generation workspace we need. Inside Tools, choose Create Image. This is Nano Banana's image feature within Gemini, and it opens a focus panel designed for visual generation. You'll notice a performance toggle near the top. It may be set to fast by default. Go ahead and switch it to thinking. Fast is great for speed, but thinking prioritizes reasoning and coherence, which really helps when you need the same character to look consistent across poses and angles. Click Fast to open the options, then select Thinking to lock it in. Next, you'll see a plus icon. Click it if you have a reference image. A solid reference dramatically improves consistency, especially for distinctive hairstyles, outfits, and proportions. Pick an image that's clear, well lit, and representative of your character's core look. If you don't have a reference, that's okay. Just continue without one and rely on a detailed prompt. Click into the prompt area to describe exactly what you want. Think of the prompt as your art director's brief. Specify that you want a character sheet and list the panels or angles you need: front, three-quarter, side, and back views, for example, plus a few facial expressions. Add style cues such as art style, line quality, color palette, and level of detail. Include the character's key traits like age range, body type, outfit, and signature accessories. If you uploaded a reference, clearly ask it to stay consistent with the reference image throughout the sheet. Short, precise sentences work best, and repeating the must-have traits once or twice helps anchor the results. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. Give it a moment to process in thinking mode. Review the output and check that the facial features, hairstyle, proportions, and outfit match across all views. If something's slightly off, make a small, targeted tweak to the first sentence of your prompt. Often adjusting one descriptor at a time is enough to lock in consistency, and generate again. Keep changes minimal so you don't drift from your established look. That's it. You've used Tools, opened Create Image, switched to Thinking, added a reference if available, crafted a precise prompt, and generated a consistent character sheet with Nano Banana and Google